Nagsimula na sa Toronto ang Cinefilm Festival, ang taunang movie festival kung saan itinatampok ang mga pelikulang Pilipino. Anong mga pelikula nga ba ang nasa lineup ngayong taon? Alamin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Biyernes nagsimula ang Cinefilm Festival sa Toronto at ngayong taon ginanap ang festival sa TIFF Bell Lightbox.
We're excited about the move. As everyone knows, TIFF Lightbox is the place to watch independent cinema. And we feel that we have a curation of the best Philippine cinema. And everyone's in store for a really good treat tonight.
Sa lineup, mapapanood ang mga pelikula na Tinga, Treasure of the Rice Terraces, Meet, Greet and Buy at Lakambini. Layon daw ng festival na maging metya ang mga pelikula para sa mga mahahalagang usapan sa komunidad.
We also really wanted to concentrate on films that addressed subject matter that the community here does not really speak about, to open up the dialogue between the different generations, between first, second, and third generation Filipinos. That's very important for us, and then we try to bolster that with Q&A panel talks that expand upon those subject matters so that people not only get provoked by thought of watching the film, but also then having a conversation about the film, and then walking away from the experience, being able to say, okay, this is something that we all just experienced together, maybe this is something we can communicate about more.
Kabilang sa mga ito ang pelikula ni Brillante Mendoza na Until She Remembers na ipinakita sa opening night ng festival.
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. I loved her. And sometimes she loved me too.
Dumalo naman sa opening night Biyernes si Charo Santos na bahagi ng cast at may dalawang pelikula sa Cinefilm Fest.
It's good to be back here in Toronto. I was here last year for the film Only We Know, and now they're screening Until She Remembers, my film with Boots Anson Roa, Barbie Forteza, directed by Direk Brillante Mendoza, and of course a classic that was filmed in the 80s under the direction of the late Mike De Leon, Kisap Mata.
Ikinatuwa niya na sa pamamagitan ng film festival na ito, nakikilala ng mga nakababatang henerasyon ang kasaysayan at kultura ng mga Pilipino.
This is a way to connect with the younger generation of Filipinos, no? So they would have an appreciation of the history, our culture, our people. Yeah, so cinema is bringing the Philippines to the younger generation. That's great.
Yung Until She Remembers po, anong gusto niyo pong matutunan ng younger generation sa film na yun?
That love knows no boundaries, and even if you lose your memory, if your heart feels for your one great love, then that great love will always be in your heart. You know?
Bago ang screening ng Until She Remembers, ipinalabas din ang short film na Utang Mo Rin, ang pelikula na nanalo sa Cine 48-Hour Challenge. Magpapatuloy ang Cinefilm Festival hanggang March 8. Ang Omni News ay isa sa mga media partners ng festival. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.